Hey everyone, here's some information about blood typing. So it may seem like blood is blood. It all looks pretty much the same to the naked eye. But although all blood contains the same basic components like red cells, white cells, platelets, and plasma, not everyone has the same types or markers or antigens on the surface of their red blood cells. Antigens are proteins and sugars called A and B that our bodies use to identify the blood cells as belonging in our own system. It is not possible to have the same type of antigen or antibody, like A blood with an A antigen, in the same person because the antibody will attack the RBCs and cause them to stick together or clump. The clumping would block the circulation of blood. Blood type is genetically determined by the sequence of nucleotides in a person's DNA and cannot be changed after birth. The rhesus factor or Rh factor is in each of the four major blood types and subdivided into the Rh for positive or Rh for negative. And like we said, there are four basic blood types: O, A, B, and AB. We show here that O is the universal donor and AB is the universal recipient. So from that 4, adding in our Rh factor makes 8. We show here type A, B, AB, and O, and then adding in either the positive or negative Rh factor, and then we can come with O negative, O positive, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, and then AB negative and AB positive. So why does blood type matter? It matters because the immune system produces proteins known as antibodies that act as protectors if foreign cells enter the body. Depending on which blood type you have, your immune system will produce antibodies to react against other blood types. If someone is given the wrong type of blood during a transfusion, the antibodies immediately set out to destroy the invading cells. An aggressive whole body response can give someone fever, chills, and low blood pressure, and can even lead to respiratory or kidney failure. So what about you? Do you know your own blood type? If you do, keep that information on you. A smart person recently told me they have it inside their wallet, and that's a great idea. If you don't know your blood type, it's time to find out. You can go to any doctor and you can tell them that you want to be typed when you do your next set of blood work. Or if you're in college, go see the nurse and see what advice they may have for you in order to get your blood type checked. Once you do find your blood type, go back to the top here and keep that information on you. You should also know that blood transfusions are one of the most frequent life-saving procedures hospitals perform, so there's always a need for blood donors. About 15% of blood donors are high school and college students, which is an impressive number if you consider that you have to be 16 or 17 to even donate blood. Keep this in mind the next time you're sick and heading to the hospital.